PlanetPit.com. Make sure you log on right now. Make sure you holler at me, Twitter.com/DJ Feezy. Just my man, Big Teach. I see you, baby. Let's rock.
Morning with my pockets on E. Fuck being broke, man, that shit ain't for me. I'm looking for a lick, boy sitting on them bricks, making it rain in the club, looking outside, jack boy shit, making strip, kicking the dough, drop that shit, hit the flow, don't say shit, that's for sure, cause if you do, them things will go.
Ang isang miyembro ng ating susunod na grupo ay may masaklap na alaala nang siya ay mag-graduate. Alamin natin kung ano yun.
Bonding po namin dalawa. Tinuturuan niya po akong mag-Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Minsan, nagtatanong ako sa kanya ng mga paano mas magandang gagawin namin sa pag-audition.
Bali, pangarap ko po talaga ang maging pintor since bata pa po ako. Pero dahil kapos sa financial na pangangailangan, pinag-aaral po ako na kung ano po yung available na pwede kong pag-aralan. Pinakang masakit na naranasan ko, nung malapit na ako matapos ng college, doon naman namatay yung tatay ko. Uwi sana ako ng probinsya para ipaalam na graduate na ako, makakagraduate ako. Pero yun pala, pag uwi ko, wala na yung tatay ko. Malungkot po kasi yung parang inspirasyon mo, magulang mo, ngayong nakatapos ka na may diploma, saka naman na wala naman siya.
Proving the beauty in black and white, please give it up for Jeffrey and Zandro, the Likha artists!
My love to, my respect and my honor to. Who should I pay good mind to after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother. Who next? Your mother. Who next? Your mother. And then your father. Cause who used to hold you and clean you and clothe you? Who used to feed you and always be with you? When you were sick, stay up all night, holding you tight. That's right, no other. My mother. Who should I take good care of, giving all my love? Who should I think the most of after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother. Who next? Your mother.
Likha artists. There you go. Talent Scouts.
Make sure you holler at me, Twitter.com/DJ Feezy. Just my man, Big Teach. I see you, baby. Let's rock.